haven't made a let's dye my hair video in a while. I have been dyeing my hair still. Last time I did it was in February. So I was like, let me just go ahead and record it for the people that have never seen it before. I got Herbitint today instead of Naturatent because this had a $1 coupon. So I was like, let me save $1. So I'm gonna change my clothes as I always do, and then I'll come back and do my dye. I prefer Naturatent because Herbitint doesn't give you a bottle. They just give you the conditioner, which I never use because I don't want it to get stuck in my locks. They just give you the dye and the developer. So I think I have a bottle that I can use. Let me go grab it. Okay, yes, I had an applicator bottle that I bought from Sally a while ago. So I'm gonna mix all this stuff in here, but first let's change clothes. Okay, I'm going to put it in, so I'm just gonna do 2 ponytails. Do I use these rubber bands? I can't even remember no more. Yeah, let's just do 2 ponytails because that's what's gonna work best, and I don't have to worry about everything going everywhere since my locks are on the longer side. Okay. So we got 2, and then let's mix up our stuff. I'm putting coconut oil around my edges so it can kind of help with all the dye that I'm about to waste everywhere, because we already know what happens when I try to do my, we already know I get messy. All right, we always start in the front. That's where I start. I'm looking at my mirror over here. I always kind of start right here because I always wear my hair parted down the middle, so I want that part to be, I want it to be dark. And I have the ones that I can see, the stubborn, I know I have a gray hair. I know I have a gray hair right here, so we just do it like that. We start in the front. All right. I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes. We did the best we could. You know, I always say at this point, I probably should be getting two boxes, but I don't. I just do one. So we'll leave this on for 30 minutes and we'll wash it out. I think I want to, so what I generally do is I'll wash it out in the sink first, and then I will get in the shower and do another wash because I just want to make sure everything's out. And when you're in the shower, you know, it's easier to wash your hair in the shower because the water can come down. Whereas when you're in the sink, you're putting your head over. So for me, I can't get the front very well. But I think I'm going to, I think I'll wash it here in the shower. I'm sorry, I'll wash it, anyway, I'm gonna do my 2 washes. That's what I was trying to say. I'm gonna wash my hair first and then I'll get in the shower and do like a full shower wash, if that makes sense. Whatever. Okay, bye. All right, it's time to wash this out. So I'm gonna wash it out and then I'll come back.
And don't like to fuss around with like lipsticks and lip liners and blending it in and all that kind of stuff and what matches with what. This, look at that, it's perfect. It's like a watermelon line.
All right, we're out, we're done. Looks pretty clean. I did wash with Giovanni. Oh, I just did one wash with this. Giovanni Smooth as Silk Deep Moisture Shampoo, because we know how our hair gets dry when we are washing it. I'm sorry, when we're dyeing it. What am I talking about? I'm tired, you guys. I want to go to bed. But anyway, so now let's twist it up. I was thinking, like, I really do want to wear my hair down, but I'm gonna braid it up because that just makes it easier. I'll braid it up tonight. If I want to wear it down tomorrow, I'll take it down. But let's go ahead and braid it up. All right, we're on our last braid. For some reason, this just took me longer to do. Generally, I'll do this in like 20 minutes, but today I was just moving slow. Anyway, it's all good. So we'll do this last braid, and then we will see what it's looking like tomorrow. So I'll show you guys. Oh my gosh. All right, I'll show y'all tomorrow. Probably keep them in tomorrow. Maybe I'll take them down Sunday. I don't know. We'll see. But at least tomorrow I don't have to worry about doing anything to my hair. All right. Okay, sorry, I just want to show you guys, what is this one doing? That's fine. All right. Oh. Okay. I'll just tie down the top like this. When it's time to go to bed, and we'll go to bed. Alright. It's not bedtime yet. Not quite yet, but when it's time, this is what we'll do. Oh, I'm also gonna put some, I also like to put Jamaican black castor oil on my edges, so we'll do that. And that's that. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Okay, bye for real. Good morning, everybody. It is the next day. I think I want to put that there. My closet is open, but that's okay. Anyway, I think I want to, no, it's the next day. So here's how the hair came out. I think it looks good. Like I showed you yesterday, I braided it up. It's still a little damp. I braided it up, I tied it up last night, and this is what we have. So I'll probably dye it again in about 6 to 8 weeks, but this color came out good. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.